Hi, I'm Michael, and I'm here to talk to you about something that we're really excited about at GE. Using virtual reality, I'm going to take you on a journey to see the transformation of a substation and the amazing business opportunities that digitizing a substation can provide. We're looking at a conventional 400 kV air-insulated substation. Today, we're going to digitize our primary equipment, introducing an IEC 61850 process bus. A process bus enables the movement of data from a primary asset, like a circuit breaker, to protection relays and automation devices in the control room. Through digitization, you will see how to reduce resource requirements and achieve greater asset utilization and situational awareness. Let's get started. When I talk to customers, many share the same concerns. They need to reduce material and labor costs. They need to increase asset life and maximize reliability, and they're worried about their skilled workforce, as many are eligible for retirement in the next 5 to 7 years. I'm going to show you how going digital can address these concerns head-on. Here we are in the switch yard, where you can see the primary equipment, including power transformers, circuit breakers, instrument transformers. When we talk about a digital substation, the focus is on the secondary systems like protection, control, measurement, and condition monitoring devices that are directly associated with this primary equipment. Here we are at a circuit breaker control cabinet, and this is where we can begin to build our process bus. You're probably familiar with this complex nest of wires that provide signals and measurement data between this circuit breaker and the control room. Consider the skilled labor required on site to commission and maintain these thousands of individual wires. Now, let's convert these analog signals to digital. What a difference. Very clean and simple, right? And definitely safer than having direct access to the high voltage terminals we saw before. By eliminating up to 33% of breaker terminations, we're able to move resources away from designing and maintaining copper wires. Instead, these skilled resources can be allocated to other critical aspects of the substation, like asset management and operations. In addition, being designed on the IEC 61850 standard, this digital system opens the door to a more secure and efficient exchange of data between multiple vendor devices. The advantage is real-time data that can be analyzed to optimize asset use and maximize system reliability. Now let's take a look at the conventional wiring and trench works required to transmit analog signals from the circuit breaker to the protection devices. Hundreds of miles of copper wiring needs to be laid through trenches, and this would be replicated for each bay. When copper is replaced with fiber optics, you can save up to 80% on material and trench work cost. And in greenfield applications, the physical switch yard space requirements are significantly less, which is another cost advantage. This is the start of our process bus, a secure digital communications pathway that distributes data more efficiently when compared to conventional analog architectures. It's time to see where these wires go. Let's take a walk over to the relay room. In this conventional relay room, all of the wires from the switch yard terminate on these racks before they are connected to the protection and control devices there. There are literally thousands of terminations that need to be made. Again, think about the complexity and labor required to design, commission, install, and maintain all of these wires. Let's see how this changes when we convert to digital. This room just got a whole lot smaller, didn't it? In fact, it's about half the size of the room we just saw. The total substation footprint has been reduced by about 50%. This is because we eliminated up to 80% of the terminations by keeping the control and measurement wiring in the switch yard and only bringing fiber optic communication cables to the relay room. Because of this plug-and-play architecture, connections can be made in seconds instead of hours, meaning you're able to reduce your protection and control labor cost by about 50%. By now, you should have a flavor for some of the benefits of going digital. So let's head back up and recap. We've shown you how going digital simplifies substation architectures and how this can reduce labor and material costs. And by evolving to a process bus, we've established the basic building blocks needed to collect and analyze data. This increased situational awareness enables better asset management for improved operations and a lower total cost of ownership for your substation. It's time for me to get back in the real world now, but I'm really pleased you were able to join me today on this virtual journey. To learn more about digital substations, visit us at gegridsolutions.com.